All right, folks, this is going to be a quick one. I just want to share with you something that someone from the community shared with me on, what happened this morning pre-market and the data according to AMC price that Apple Watch was showing. It might have been something pretty, unusual, but with AMC, sometimes unusual things are not that unusual, if you see what I mean. So let's just jump on it, okay? I'm going to share with you, both of the screenshots. One is from pre-market session, all right? So you can see that today it's Monday 3rd, 7:09. I don't know exactly the time zone, but, it's showing AMC price at $123.45 a share, $1.23.45 a share of AMC stock. All right. And then suddenly, as soon as the market started, a little later, you can see that the actual price, it's the correct one, 27.86. All right. So it might have been a glitch. Yes, it might have been an error. Yes, also. But the real question is, why do we have so many glitches along the way only with AMC stock? Why don't we see this with the Teslas? Why don't we see this with the Apples? Why don't we see this with the American Airlines and the United Airlines? Why don't we see this with some of these other stocks? Well, because all of these prices are manipulated. And by prices, I mean the one we are seeing on our brokerage account. This is not the real price. And I've said this and I will continue to say this many times, as much as it takes before the real price start really showing, because hey, they are manipulating, they are fabricating, they are faking this through all of what they're doing behind the scenes. But it doesn't stop the reality from popping, because at the end of the day, the reality is gonna settle. And once that happens, man, even us, the apes holding the stock, will be so insanely surprised of what we might see in terms of price jumps day after day. Because you can only cover your tracks when you are doing things that are not real. But even computers, sometimes they cut it, they catch it, and that's what results into such episodes of glitches. All right, because I said this, at this price point, at this point, with millions of people buying a stock, and it's not sinking to what the short sellers, are predicted to, this price, the triple digits, is the least we would have seen so far at this point. But hey, it's just a matter of time, folks. So let's just see.